Hi everyone, I am Irfan Khan and you are watching my YouTube channel The Forex Nexus. In this video we will explain about Euro USD monthly re-entry after the momentum. So lots of text and Telegram channel about the Euro USD. Many students analyzed, but they are waiting for a re-entry on third time frame. So today in this video I will explain the Euro USD monthly time frame re-entry. First of all, we need to mark a re-entry. Remember, before going to analysis, we need to point out a CSM. So this is a re-entry based on CSM. The first re-entry can happen here at Bbma 510 high at this level. Okay. Now the second re-entry is happening at powerful re-entry at Bbma 5 the middle band. It's powerful re-entry area. But what we need to look on second time frame here. On second time frame, we need to identify extreme here. On weekly time frame, we need to extreme here. At this point, we have no sign of extreme at the moment, and the important point is we need curve shape at this point. Now yesterday lots of Telegram community many member was waiting for this area to take a sharp entry at this point. But if you focus here, we got the extreme, but we need MLV here at this point. The Bollinger band need to curve, then we can make a re-entry at this point. Still the Bollinger band is expanding. If we look to daily time frame and we point out this area for buy, also this point, so this re-entry was valid, and so far this one is also valid. Why? Because if you mark this area, for buy we need to mark this area. Why this area is valid? Because the Bollinger band is still expanding. It means that the market has not the Euro USD has not decided yet to go downside. Now on H4 time frame, first we need to mark this area, then move to H4 time frame. Here we got no momentum area, the market got clear rejection and form extreme B. On H1 time frame, what we need extreme plus MLV. So the extreme happen here. Let me mark. As you know, the market got momentum plus EMA breakout, went for a re-entry Bbma 510 high, the powerful re-entry. Okay, you can take a trade here and then wait for the Bollinger band curve shape to confirm your daily re-entry on third time frame. Because at this point you can see here, at this point the market got rejection on H4 time frame without making any momentum. when we get no momentum area, then we need to focus on Bollinger Band curve shape on H4 third time frame H1. So when the market make early CST, okay, the market break the MA5 chain high, then the Bollinger Bands they change its shape and its curve now. So you can take an entry here, first entry. Here is your stop loss, and also you can wait for a re-entry here at this point and keep your stop loss below the swing low. Okay, on H4 time frame, when the market reach to this area, I am explaining step by step that how you can make a complete cycle. On H4 time frame, when the market move up before getting rejection from lower band, then the market will retrace back to MA5 chain high. Check out there is no extreme. Remember, this type of extreme is called extreme C. Remember, this is extreme C. I didn't explain this. Why? Because this is this type of extreme happens, but it's not working perfectly every time. So avoid this type of extreme C. But the main time frame is third time frame. If we got Bollinger Band curve shape or MLV here, then our re-entry maybe it's valid. But you can see here at this point we have no sign of entry or stoppage here at this point, so we can hold our trade on H4 time frame. Now the market went up from CST, then retrace back to MA5 chain low. So again, let's mark this area. You can close your first trade here at this point. You can, when the market from CST, you can close your trade. Okay, no need to swing for long term. You can close your trade. The market will give you another opportunity. So on H1 time frame, you can see here the Bollinger Band is flat and the EMA 50 is below the price. That means the price is above the EMA 50, so the trend is bullish. But here we didn't got any extreme here at this point, but the Bollinger Band is flat. It means that the market is still potential to go upside. On third time frame, here we got the extreme, then the Bollinger Band curved, but this re-entry here, this is the area. Here we got the extreme plus momentum. The market form momentum, so don't take trade when you see a momentum here. But the Bollinger Band is flat. If it's expanding, then the momentum is valid. Remember, the Bollinger Band plays important role in Bbma. And no one explained this Bollinger Band move, because the Bollinger Band shape can indicate you it's indicating you that the market will move, carry on its direction or stop. The stoppage is valid or invalid. In simple words, when the Bollinger Band is flat, it means that the market have no potential to go down. If the market is dropping and the Bollinger Band is flat, the lower band is flat, it means that the market, it means that the stoppage occurs. The stoppage happening, so always look for the buy opportunity. But when the Bollinger Band is expanding, remember, always look for re-entries at MA5 chain low or high. If the scenario is sell, so always wait for the MA5 chain high. If the scenario is buy, wait for the MA5 chain low. When the market retrace back down to MA5 chain low, make your confirmation. Don't need to hurry. Make your confirmation always. Then you can hold your trades. You can make good pips. Now let's at this point let me analyze same reentry on gold. You can see here on daily time frame, now the Bollinger Band is still expanding. The Bollinger Band is still expanding. It means that the market, the gold market, have still potential to go upside on daily time frame, also on weekly time frame. In last video, if you remember, we explained it perfectly. If you have any question related to this lesson, you can ask me in the comment section below. And if you didn't subscribe our channel and first time you are watching our channel, so please must subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get notification for further lesson. Thank you for watching the video. Stay tuned with us.